Hello, everyone. This is Anthony Financial. Um, this is part two of the free training that I'm doing, where I'm showing you how to evaluate company. Well, basically, I'm showing you how to read a stock summary or a stock quote. Again, this is a free training showing you how to read a stock summary or a stock quote. And basically, well, this is part two. Um, and we use the stock quote to learn how to, we use the information from a stock quote to analyze a company so that we can determine if it's good to great, because we want to buy good to great stocks so that we can invest in them or trade them or whatever. So all right, let's catch back up to where we were. So the previous close is the last price that was recorded um, on the last close. So for this example, the close is February the 14th, but the previous close would have been February the 13th. So if the market wasn't closed, say if it was February the 14th during the day, um, the previous close would be February the 13th. All right. So if you got any questions, just message me. Just message the Anthony Financial IQ Rice business page. All right. And and let's look at the open price. So the open price, or the opening price, is the first price that was recorded. Um, the the first price that was recorded on that day. So for this example, it would be the first price recorded on February the 14th, which is $8.64. Okay. Now the bid and ask price, I'm not going to cover this right at this moment, but I'll be covering it in my training where I show you how to buy and sell stock. And you can click on the link in the profile or in the post uh, to get information on how to do that. Okay. All right. So, okay. So the next thing we're going to do, let's see. So again, click the link if you want to see the training on how to buy stock. All right, how to buy and sell stock. But let's move on. With the days range, um, that's the lowest price that the stock was bought or sold on up to the highest price that was bought or sold in a day. So right here, again, the days range is the lowest price that the stock was bought or sold on up to the highest price that the stock was bought or sold. And that's $8.63 was the lowest price of the day. The highest price was $8.76. Now the 52-week range is the lowest price that the stock was bought or sold, and also the highest price. It's a range. So it's the lowest price that the stock was bought and sold for the year, which is 52 weeks, and up to the highest price. So in this example, that's $4.26 on up to $8.78. Okay, and also if you want to do a live webinar training with me about this information, where you can ask me questions in real time, you can click the link in the profile to register for that. It's a free training. Now, the training to buy and sell stock, that has a cost. All right. The cost right now for that is $39.99. But look at that as an investment for your future, because I plan for you to earn between $100,000 up to millions in a lifetime investing in the stock market. All right. So when you're talking about earning $100,000 up to millions of dollars, um, spending $39.99 is um, a good investment to get a return of that much money. All right. So, and even if you only grew your account to $20,000, I mean, to pay $39.99 and you grow your account to 20,000, that's still a great return on investment, especially when you don't have any, you have peace of mind working with me because I show you all the steps that you have to do. And I also offer email support. So, you send me a question by way of email or messenger, and I reply within 24 hours or less. And I also do follow-up webinar trainings after a paid training. Um, so I can give you more detailed information based on a question that you ask, and I could just walk you through the steps. All right. So let's look at the volume. The volume is basically how many stock were bought and sold on today or on the date of this stock quote. So it's 22,432 plus stock were bought and sold on this day. This is the volume. Now the average volume is the average number of stock bought and sold on each day that the market is open. So the average is 19,405,453. So actually, today's volume was greater than the average volume, and a lot of that was due to the fact that Sprint is going to be. We're dealing with the company Sprint, all right, the telephone company, and they're going to be bought by T-Mobile. So on that news, the stock price increased drastically in just a few days. May have been a day because I didn't look at the historical data, but as you see right here, that's a gain of 78.81% if you look at the box to the left of the screen. All right. So yeah, that's the power of the stock market. You get big gains um, in a short amount of time. Now this doesn't happen all the time, but the good thing is to be in position to receive that when it does happen. All right, and we're gonna look at the market cap. This is the last thing that I'll look at during this live Facebook Live. But if you'd like to see more information, you can attend a live free webinar with me. Again, that's a live free stock quote, stock summary webinar. Again, if you want to attend a live free stock quote webinar with me, just click the link in the profile. So just click the link in the profile. Click the link in the profile to view a free stock quote summary. Actually, to attend a free stock quote summary webinar with me. All right, where I can answer all your questions in real time and you can see my face in real time. The only reason I'm not showing my face now is because I'm not used to sharing my video uh, with my camera on the live and share the screen at the same time. But we'll next time have a better experience for you. So anyway, the market cap right here is the value of the company. It's the total number of shares available times the share price, which is $8.69. All right, so that gives you a market cap of $35 billion. So let's say hypothetically you have $35 billion. You could buy the company Sprint with $35 billion, and not just the stock Sprint, but you would buy the entire company. So that's what the market cap is. It's the worth of the entire company. All right, I look forward to hearing from you all. You can send me a message. You can inbox the Anthony Financial IQ Rice business page if you have any questions, or leave questions in the comments. Um, yeah, so click the link to register for the free stock quote, stock summary webinar. And also you can click the link in the quote to learn how to buy stock. Now, to learn how to buy stock, there's a fee of $39.99. But like I said, that's a low cost investment when you had the potential to earn $100,000 up to millions of dollars investing in the stock market. So again, you pay uh, you know $39.99 with a good chance of earning $100,000 to $1 million investing in the stock market. Because this is a skill. This is a skill that you learn um, through training. It's not like buying a lotto ticket hoping that you will win, but this is you taking a calculated risk with good sound data, looking at the financial records of the company, um, and some chart action, but mainly using fundamental analysis. Uh, so, yes, I look forward to hearing from you. So click the link to attend the webinars, and you can send me any questions that you have in my Anthony Financial IQ Rice business page. All right. So look forward to hearing from you.